Okay, let's see. Hello and welcome everybody. What's today, Mystique?
Thursday.
Thursday. Oh my God! All right, so ready to have a thunderous Thursday?
I'm ready.
Okay. Alrighty then. So, hello and welcome everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Alberto German and I'm going to be reading the market live, real time. Okay. And live from Miami. Let's get on it.
Let's do it.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So market opens right at '09. We have a bullish bias, right? And then it breaks to the upside. Okay, so the main play is long, right? Okay, and we are prepared because we've been calling it since 9 a.m., right? That we have our bullish bias. All right, so where is the price gonna be looking to go? All right, here. All right, it just went to 19.5, right? And of course, what's the right? What's the other high right there? 22 quarter, right? And then our resistances are 25 and 28. Okay, so that's where this play long, right? And if those traders that were late take advantage of the pullback, right? Take advantage of the pullback to 12. That's a pretty okay entry long, right? Because we have a target, right? 22 is a destination, 25 and 28, right? All right. So when you're taking a shot, if you're late, if you are the trader that knows, like we knew, that the break had the odds to break to the upside, you're totally ready. You took your shot right here, 9, right? Look at that. Price goes all the way to 675. It bounces right away. So you have plenty of time to take 7, 8, 9, 10. Why? Because we have direction up and we have 25 and 28 targets, right? Alrighty then. So we have direction up. We have the entry at the momentous open, and you know that we're looking for 25. So when you have in your mind 7, 8, 9, 10, and you know that we believe price is gonna test the high, break it, and continue to 28, right? Then you have to do some math in your mind, right? When you're taking a shot long, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 25, that's 13 points. 24, 24, 25, 28, the hell is, I'm looking at the 24 right here. All right, 28, ladies and gentlemen, all right? 28. Alrighty. Okay, 28, 25, 28. Boom, this is 25. And you all know that it is a conventional technical analysis resistance, right? But you are a CTC trader. You're going to let it ride all the way to 28, aren't you? Give or take a point, right? That's 26.75. All right, so those traders that were that the open was way too fast for you, for whoever, then take advantage of the pullback all the way to 12, and you have to put some mathematics and logic in your brain. 12, Capi said that the price is bullish bias, and the target is is 28, right? First target is 28. So I can take a shot here, 12, 13. I'm still looking to make 15 points, right? Okay. Alrighty then. And we have 28 and 33, right? And we have, like, the market is dynamic, right? So we have to see how the price is going to behave. We have to see how the price is going to behave. And this 3 points that the price is going to try to give us a little bit of a hard time, right? Because what do you think? You think that we are the only ones locking 25? Right? Not only we're not the only ones locking 25, right? There is a lot of retail traders, believe it or not, shorting right here. All right? They're going to be shorting 25, 28, right? They don't know, though. They don't know what we know. All right? Okay, so that's 27 quarter. That's 3 ticks to our target 128. And look at the pullback. All right, so this is for those of you who are all in, all out, right? And you took a nice shot right here. Let's say right at 09, 10, right? 9, 10 here at the open, right? The open, nice open, right? 9, 10, and those of you who were late waited for the pullback, took advantage of that pullback, all right? Took advantage of that pullback from 20 to 12. 8-point pullback in 1 minute. Beautiful. You loved it. Boom. You take a shot because you have direction, right? Up, and you have target 28. Direction up, target 28. Right? You do that equation in your mind, and then that's what's gonna give you the determination to take that shot long. Right? 28 is target 1, and we have to see if we're gonna make 33 an extension of target 1, or we're gonna make it target 2. Alrighty then, those of you who are strong, right? You know that okay, hang in there. You know, okay, yeah, that's right. 33. All right, so we are in a, ladies and gentlemen, we are in, okay, 28. Remember, right? 25 is the high of the wave, right? So but that's it's the high, right? So we know that that's resistance. An aggressive trader, it's gonna take a shot short between 25 and 28, right? 25, after all, is the high of our snake wave, right? And we know that we have 28 as the first resistance, right? First target, right? Then what's the mid-range between 25 and 28? 27. So 27 is a pretty okay counter trend short, right? Why? Because everything I told you since 9 a.m., all right? There will not be any clean breaks of any of our resistances. What's the first resistance we have? 25 and 28. 3 points right there, right? Easy. All right, so you choose the mid-range, 27, 25, 26 half, and then you just made 15 points on the way up, and now you took the counter trend short, and you're up a couple of points right now, and your job is to tie leech on this counter trend short right here, 27, right? And you know that we can easily see a a bounce, a turnaround, back up to the high 28, break it and go to 33, right? You know that. Don't let it happen, all right? Okay, so main play, long, right here at the open, 10. Late comers, 12, 13. Why? Because you knew that the price was going to continue going all the way to our resistance. Then, resistance. No hesitation in counter trending it short because, like I said at 9 a.m. this morning, it will not take it. That's not going to happen. We are in a sideways action. The price is not going to break our levels of resistance or support. You take a counter trend short shot. Short right here, 27, and you are right now managing a long 10 and a short 27. It's exactly what you're doing right now. Okay? Right. And you know the difference between both. One is the main play, meaning you have a bigger position going long than the one that you have short. Because the one that you have short is, by definition, against the most powerful current direction right now, which is up. So what do you want? You want to have a bigger position on your main play, but you don't. But you want to take the ebb, but you want to take advantage of the flow, right? You want to take advantage of the pullback. Look at that, from 27 all the way back to 20. That's 7 points. You want to take advantage of that, while you're still expecting the price to go back to the high 28 break and continue to target 133 or target 2, we don't know that yet, then you're having fun with these 7 points that you just got.
Papa got 10.
What?
He got 10.
10 what? 10 points?
10 points, yeah.
Oh, who, Papa?
Yep.
Alrighty then. Okie dokie. Thank you, Mystique. All right, so that's where we are right now, ladies and gentlemen, doing the same thing that we do all the time, every single day. All righty then. Okay, so, right? All right, so 28, beautifully, right? 28, that's not bad, right? 28, you've known 28 since when? All morning long, haven't you? All right, okay. Alrighty then, let's go 33, right? Because we all can see it together, right? We all can see together the clean break, right? So what do you think is gonna happen? All right, the counter trend gave us 7 points, and now, right? Target 1, official target 133. Official. All right, 33, official target 1. It's a good thing that we had that bullish bias, right? It was weak at the beginning. All right, so hold on a second. Let's see where is it gonna go next. All right, so price goes to 33. Those of you who are waiting or you are already short 33. For the counter trend of the official, right? Of the official entry, right? For the official counter trend, which is target 1. Having taken it here, 28, 27, is as aggressive as it gets, right? But if you take it with a small position or you take it with the micros, you just made 7 points right there. Price goes back up. Look at that beautiful trend. You're the hell out of that counter trend, and now you're waiting for the price to go exactly to our official target 1. And remember that you are main play long, right, all the way from 09, and we are now looking for target 2. And I'm going to have it pretty soon, so hang in there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so what do we have here? We have 33, right? And, okay. All right. Okay, target 2, it's a range. that begins at 39. Okay, let's target 2, 39. All right. So the counter trend, right? The counter trend short official 33, right? We know that the main play is long and the bulls are going to do everything in their power to take it all the way to 39. However, we're going to take advantage of Prisatico's levels of support and resistance. Official counter trend short is right here, 33. And we're going to do the same thing that we did here at 27, right? 27, 25, 28, half 37. All right, we saw that beautiful break of 28. We knew the price was going to go to our target 1, right? All righty then. Okay, and we are still holding a position long, right? This is for professional traders, right? This is for courageous money, right? Right. Fearful money, impatient money, amateur money. They don't do any of this, right? We do. Right? You came here to trade, and that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to take advantage of every single move the market makes. Ebbs and flows, right? That's what we're going to do, right? We're going to milk the market. Every single move. We won't give the market a chance to breathe, right? As soon as the market takes and reaches any of our levels, bam! We're gonna take it, right? Are we gonna be right 100% of the time? Of course not. Right? It goes right back up, we get the hell out, and we continue riding this main play all the way to 39, which, by the way, it's a range. And I'm gonna probably be changing it with this volatility. Are you kidding? Let's see, right? In the meantime, we're short 33, and we're gonna continue playing it, right? Clean break of 33. You don't want to be short anymore. Get the hell out, right? That's simple. That's mathematics and common sense, right? Well, Capi, that's not that much common sense, man, because it's tough, buddy, to do this type of playing. We are scalpers. That's our job, is to do exactly what we're doing right now. Price goes to 34, 33 counter trend short is a razor sharp entry, and it's giving us a fat action, right? It needs to break 28, right, for us to have a triple crown, right? All right, no problem, right? Stop, break even, and start trailing that baby. Why? Because I told you the overall market direction today is sideways. Of course, it's probably changed already. I even haven't had time to look at the overall market direction to see if we are, or actually we don't care where we are. The only thing that we care is where are we going to be. That's what we care. All right. In the meantime, we are managing our main play long that we knew since 9 a.m. where it was going to go. And then as it's going, then we adapt to the new price action, right? That's what a trader does. All righty. Okay, no shenanigans. All right, so here's the deal. Okay, 41. All right. We're gonna this is target 2 is 41. All right, so now, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna be more right. So since the big picture just changed, right? Then we're gonna be more cautious. We had no issue counter trending before, right? Because we were in a sideways action. Now, right? And we were in a two-dimensional environment. Now that we're no longer in a two-dimensional, we are in a different world right now. The odds that what any forecast that I make diminish. Simple as that. In other words, we still can read the entire market. And we are wise enough to know that the odds of our forecast are just not high probability like there were at the open. Oh, really? Yes. So I am still expecting the price to continue to 41. And that's target 2. Right? Right? So since the odds of any of our new forecasts are not high probability anymore, I'm gonna be really cautious in counter trending 41, and I'm gonna be really cautious on this little pullback continuation of the uptrend. Die lich right there. I'm going to I'm not gonna go to phase 7 yet, but I'm going to make sure that I have a strong management, trade management. All right. So this trade supervision, it's getting real now. Okay. As long as the price continue going in our direction, there is no break of our trail, then we must endure this action and milk the market for as much as we possibly can. That's our job now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 41, right? That's 40. Okay. Right, 39.75. That's what take to 40. All right, remember we had a range. 39 was the low, and I made it an exact level, 41. Right? Okay, I'm still expecting to get it. All righty? Okay, I'm still expecting to get it. Boom. Remember what I told you, right? All right. No, that it's not going to work, the counter, right? But, ladies and gentlemen, that's target 2. Righty? Right. Remember what I told you. We're going to be cautious on the counter because of what I told you. We're not in a two-dimensional environment anymore. All right, so target 2, 41. All of this is target 2. 41, right? 42, 43, beautiful. Righty? Okay. Alrighty then. Be strong. Okay, be strong. Okay? 42. Okay, as a matter of fact, we're going to make 41, we're going to make it 42. Alrighty, I'm going to make it 42. Right there. Okay. And let's go target 3, right? Okay, let's see where it is. And that's what reading the market means, right? You have to be capable of adapting to the new mood, the new personality. The market has multiple personalities. Remember I told you, the market is like Sybil. Alrighty? Okay. It changes on you direction, resistances, the strength, right? Rectangles, an uptrend, down, pullback. That stuff is changing all the time. And we need to, so something that we wanted to do a couple of minutes ago, bang, we're not going to do it. Why? Because we know that the market changed. I just read to you that we went from a two-dimensional environment to a different world. And I told you, okay, so what does that mean? Well, this is what we do. We know that we have to be a little bit more careful. We're going to tight leech. We're going to continue supervising the current main play long the open. We just hit target 1, we just hit official target 2, and we are on our way to target 3. All right? So since the market gave us a new reading, then and we are already up 10, 20, 30 points, then what do you think we're gonna do? We're just going to okay, here it is. That's 44, right? Right. Remember that the official is 42. I made it from 41 to 42. All right. So okay. So let's see. All righty. Okay. So you just hang in there, right? We are in trade supervision now. That's all. Okay. Yeah. Beautiful. This thing is going strong, and we love it. And we know what's going on with the entire big picture, and that's terrific. No biggie. All righty? Okay. Be strong. Stay strong. All righty. Let's see what's going on. All righty. Okay. Oops. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, please, come on. Alrighty. Alrighty. 42. Price goes to 44.75. We're gonna call it. 45, right? So price goes a couple of points above the target 2, right? 42, right? Remember, I moved it from 41 to 42, just 1 point, and so that we can better manage the counter trend short 42 and above, 43, 44, right? Okay, it's based off of 42, not 41 anymore. Okay. Oh, Capi, are you kidding me? I'm not gonna counter trend, man. This trend is too tough. Remember that you are trading here at Capital Trade Center, and we do this every single day. So just do it with the micros, all right? Price goes back up, get the hell out. You are up 10, 20, 30 points already, 40 points, you're up, right? So you can afford to be a trader. That's what you came here for. All righty. But Capi, we still have target 3, man. Yeah, I know. I'm looking for it. All right. Remember that achieving target 1 here, we do it all the time. Target 2, we still have a pretty good statistics in getting target 2. Target 3, that's a challenge, right? That's the home run. Not the home run is the last target. That's the home run. All right. So we right now are after a durable play. But in the meantime, we're going to take advantage of our pullbacks and rallies. Look at it, right? 42, 43, 44. Okay. Look at this beautiful pullback. Well, not that beautiful, but pretty good, right? 43, 42, right? 43, 44, sure. Price just went to 38. That's beautiful, in a couple of minutes, right? We're gonna take advantage of every single. This is unbelievable. Look at the first pullback from 34 to 29. Boom. Look at this one, beautiful, from 45 to 39, right? 6 points. All right. And remember, these counter trends sometimes end up being the beginning of a new trend, right? And those times when the counter trend takes the main play and become itself the main play, then those of us who take the level, we're pretty much at the beginning of that trend, just like we are at the beginning of this one, when the market at the open broke to the upside, and we already had a bullish bias. And those who were late, still we had a nice pullback, took advantage of the pullback, went long, and the rest is history. 45, right? So we're up 36 points now, right? Those of us who took a shot 09 low, we're up 36 points in half an hour, right? So, okay. All right, so target 1, 33, target 2, 42, that's 9 points, right? And we took a shot, counter trend short right here, made 5 points. Took a counter trend short here. And if you didn't, it doesn't matter. Look at it so that you can grow your confidence on the system that you trade every single day here from 9 to 12. All right, 33. Right, so we had an additional 9 points here. Right, come on, baby. Right, okay. All right, and we have 7 points more here, 49, that it could change any second. All righty. Okay, so hang in there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so is it gonna go all the way to 33? What do you think? Right, what do you think? Do you think our counter trend short, 43, 44, even 42, is it gonna go all the way to 33? Do you think? All right, it's looking good if you ask me. Right, okay, that's 36. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, yes, this is no longer temporary. It is target 3. It's no longer temporary, and it's no longer 49. It is 48 now. Boom. Okay, this is where we are at right now. So go ahead and draw that line right there. Target 3, 48. All right, in the meantime, we are enjoying this pullback off of our counter trend 42, 43. Okay, right? Look at the pullback, my friends. Right. So in other words, right? Yes, we were extremely cautious with the counter trend in our target 2 level. I know we were extremely cautious, right? Because we had a new environment. But that doesn't mean that it's not gonna work. And look at it. Look at this, look at this, look at this beauty. Boom. 34, right? From 44, 10 points. From 43, 9 points. From the exact level 42, those of you who put a limit and you just go with it because you've seen it work so many times, 42, 34, that's 8 points, right? Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen here at 33, right? Remember our official point of resistance, 33, that we knew half an hour before the price went to 33. We already knew it. And look at the action right at 33. 33, boom, razor sharp entry counter trend short. It pulls back all the way to 29. Boom, second leg to our target 2. Momentum takes it a couple of points above 42. And look at our beautiful flow, right? Ebb and flow. All the way to where? Oh, gee, what a coincidence. 33 half. You tell me, right? This is mathematics, ladies and gentlemen, isn't it? This is mathematics. Isn't it? Look at that. Right? All you need is to know what the exact levels are. You need a system that tells you the exact levels and just play it. You know, because so many people say it and they don't mean it. We are a family here, all right? We just don't call trades. Any of you, you leave that to me. And we don't talk politics, and we don't talk religion, and we don't talk any of that stuff that is going on other than trading. That's what we're here. Focus, 100% complete concentration, only trading for 2.5 hours, man, from 9 to 11:30. Come on, please. We all can do it. This is our job, all right? Full on concentration, all right? Okay. All right, so that's what solid means. In the meantime, we are in this counter trend short 43, 44, 42, 44, right? Mid-range 43. And this is what we're managing, okay? And remember that we are in a different world. And ladies and gentlemen, our 33 just became really, really important. Our 33, it's a big time player today. All right, that 33 is now a very important. It's not only boom 33, ladies and gentlemen. The counter trend short 43, 44, 42, officially out right here, 33. All righty, so 10 points for 43, 9 points from 42. Number one. Number two, 33 is extremely important now. So I'm gonna make it really bigger. Why? I'm gonna tell you this, and this is gonna blow your mind. 33 is so strong as a support right now, and that's why we got out here, right, for the counter trend, that 33 is now the level that is going to rule the rest of the day. Until I change it, of course. Until I don't, as long as the price, my friends, is 33, this is what we're going to do. Right? We know that we have a solid target 348, right? It's no longer that solid. Why? Because now we have new information. 33 is so strong that the odds are now that we will get 48, target 3, and that we might change it. That's how strong 33 is right now. Clean break of 33, forget about being long anymore, because that's not gonna happen, right? And then number 3, we have to see if the smart money is how nasty they are today, and they want to play with all of us right here, 33. Then they're gonna be dancing around 33, and that's the last thing we want. Phase 7, just like Papa, get the hell to phase 7. Keep what you may and go play golf. Long story short, right? And look what time it is. It's only 10:30. So we've done all of this in 30 minutes. Yes, sir, Bob. You are correct, Nas. Of course, that's add to a winner so that you can, with the information that I just gave you, now you have confidence that you're gonna the odds are that you're gonna do good on this add to a winner, right? Because you still have ammunition long. You add to a winner here. Remember, this is where the amateurs got out. Goldman pulls back the price all the way to 33 because they know that's where the amateurs have the stop. We, on the other hand, we know how strong of a support it is, and we add to a winner or we establish a new position long. That's right. That's absolutely correct. All right, and then look at this baby. Right, add to a winner 33. It goes to 40, so that's 7 points, almost 41. And what's going to happen right now? Well, look, are you kidding me? Those bulls that added to a winner here, 33, or that establish a new position long because they believe that this drop is a pullback in a strong uptrend that is going to continue, well, they don't want to miss it. They have to establish a new position long right here, 33, or just go add to a winner, establish a new position long, and ride this baby all the way to 48 and more, right? Because remember, target 348 is for the original entry long right down there at 510. If you establish a new position long here and you continue riding it and this trip, then you have 3 units again. So you don't have to get all out 48. 48 is for those who went right there at the open, right? Okay. Oh my God, Capi, so is it possible that we're gonna buy a Lamborghini today? Well, yeah, well, you know, as long as the price doesn't destroy our 43, we believe so. Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. Okay. Alrighty then. Is it gonna take all day? Well, maybe not. We don't know. We don't know when it's gonna happen, and we're not interested. All we have to pay attention to is our stamina. All right. We all know that chop is gonna start pretty soon, and that's what's going to fatigue even the most experienced trader gets tired. We are all humans. Okay. Remember 28, ladies and gentlemen, and 33, right? 33, extremely important level, right? What is the smart money gonna do? Well, they're vicious. They know 33 is really important. If they take it, momentum is gonna take it to where? Are you kidding me? All the way to our former 28. That's still there. Right? Where is the price right now? Boom, below 33. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, NAS, remember that we are short 42. And that counter trend short, you have to remember this is extremely important. That counter trend short can easily become the beginning of a new trend. That's why we counter trend. That's one of the reasons that we counter trend. So you've got to see now the action. You know the main play. You know the importance of 33. You know that we are currently in a short counter trend 42, 43 that has not been invalidated until the price goes right back to 45, destroys 45. We know it's going to go to 48. Then, and only then, is when the counter trend short 42, 43, 44 is going to be invalidated. So right now, we are managing a counter trend short. All right, that's extremely important. No, Capi, but I don't counter trend. If you don't counter trend, it doesn't matter. You still need to know, what do you think? The market cares if anybody here counter trends or not? Listen to this and write it down. If you don't counter trend, the market doesn't care. The fact of the matter is that we here at CTC call for a counter trend short 43, and you've seen it, a counter trend become the main play 1,000,000 times. So whether you are short counter trend 42, 3, 44, you have to take into consideration when you add to a winner 33 or you establish a new position long 33, you need to know that that's a counter trend of the counter trend. Right? We've done this 1,000,000 times, right? So it's very important that we are all clear there. All right. So price takes our 33. We know the importance of 33. So those of us who are short 44, 43 counter trend, and the market and the price took nicely 33, are you kidding me? We are so confident now that the counter trend is going to give us another 35 points that we're loving it. This is exactly what we want to see happening. Right? Price destroys 33. Right? The 1, 2, the third time. It takes your main play long. You're no longer long because look at the way the price destroyed 33. And we know that the price below 33, the bears are in control. I told you that 10 minutes ago. So what are you doing now? Oh my God, beautiful. The counter trend that I took, 43, 44, right? Right? Those of you who took it, then this is what you are now managing. Right? And then as the market moves tick by tick, then we get more and more information and we know exactly what to do. Look at that. Gee, correct me if I'm wrong, but didn't it just took 28 and it went to our 25 to the tick? Is that to the tick? Is that to the tick? It is to the tick, right? Look at that. Boom, 25. It's amazing. This is all mathematics. What do you think is going to happen now? We're gonna price took 33. Bears are in control, right? Remember that I moved target 3 to 48 and I made it a solid one. What do you think that means? I explained to you what solid means. Solid means really strong. Price is not going to take it anytime soon. If 48 is that strong, don't you think that that helps the counter trend short 44 right here? Of course it does. It's not going to take it. And if it does, that would be if we love it at 44, if we like it at 44, we love it at 48, right? The 48. So that 48 right now, because we need to measure the strength of every single one of all our levels. Right? I knew, right? So when I measured 48, that gave us confidence that the counter trend short 44 had a good chance to give us another 35, 36 points. And look, bam! Look at this beauty. And what's the confirmation? The break of 33. Our 33. Remember that 33 was nothing but a target one, and then all of a sudden Goldman Sachs called me and said, hey, listen, pay attention to 33. 33 is going to decide what happens for the rest of the day. It's all in the recording. All right? So that's exactly that's the reasoning behind everything that we're doing. All right? So ladies and gentlemen, I went into a long explanation because this is a beautiful day, and just to make sure that we are all clear, because remember, you've got to have a system, but you need to know price action, which is what I teach here every day. Boom! And this, my friends, is price beautiful action. 33, clean break of 33. What did I say 10 minutes ago? It's going to divide the day. The bears are going to be in control. So what do you want? You want to be sure, for sure. You are sure already 44. Break of 33 gives you confidence that, I'm going to say it again, that you're going to make another 35 points today, which is made 36 points on the way up, and we are on our way to make 36 points again in the way down. So in other words, we nail the bottom and we nail the top. Let that sink in for a minute. Okay, all right. So at all times, we need to know what the market conditions are, the strengths of everything, so that we better manage right? Okay, so I know that we're getting a new parameters right here, and we're going to measure it, and we know that this volatility, which is we cannot do wrong when the market is this volatile, is unbelievable. Is when Prosecco shines. It's unbelievable, right? All righty. Okay. Right? So when the price takes 33, Smart money, I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on right now. Right? When the price destroys 33 beautiful, right? We get a lot more confidence that our counter trend short 44 is going to give us a nice run. Look at that, 44 all the way to 14. 14, 24, 34, 44. That's 30 points for the counter trend, right? Okay. So smart money breaks 33 because they know that they're going to trap a lot of amateurs that are long. They know that taking 33, they're going to start adding to a loser 28, adding to a loser 25, and then by the time the price goes to 14, smart money knows they cannot handle it anymore. They capitulate. They take the entire account of all the teenagers on YouTube on their demo account or on their whatever prop firm they use, and then so that dropped from 33 to 14, right? Look at that. What is that? 14, 24, 34, 19 points. Those 19 points right now is what we all, those of us who want to continue trading, want to manage. So we here know that this 14, it's a swing high, right? It is a swing high. It's the real thing. So price below 33, bears in control. Price above 14, you're not gonna believe this. This is beautiful. Bulls in control. So we have a 20 point, 19 point here. That's gonna be the action for now. All right, that's right. This 14, in other words, it's real. Okay. Time right now, 11, right? Okay, 14:33. So, what is it that we want to know, right? Remember, we have a prediction addiction. We are all about the future. So what's the future? Well, we want to know what's stronger, 14 or 33, right? So that I know which one has the higher odds for the price to break. That's what we want to know now, right? In the meantime, we are short 44 and we're still managing it. And then taking of 14 is going to be pretty similar than the taking of 33. Smart money didn't take all the money of all the bulls, and they need to destroy them a little bit more. 14 is now what 33 was before. It's going to tell us what's really going on. So what do we do in the meantime? We're no longer long because it took 33, took our trail. We are short 44, right? And 44 to 14, that's 30 points. Look at it. Boom. Taking of 14, a clean break of 14, just like the clean take of 33. Where is the price going to go? Well, it's going to be a lot tougher to know now. Why? Because the time. It is 11 a.m. right now, 11:01. And we know that we are in a one-dimensional environment, making everything tougher and tougher. That's why phase 7. Keep everything you make and continue managing the short 44 that we just made for 30 points here, 13. And what do we want? We don't want 14 to hold, but that's not gonna be easy. The price is not easily gonna take 14, and of course this 6 right here. But that's what we bears want. We wanted to take it and give us 500 so that we can make 44 points, because remember, we are short from 44. Price goes to 500, then that's gonna be, my dear members, that's going to be what? That's going to be 44 points for us. 44, 43, 42, 41, 40 points on this counter trend. And that's where we are right now. And that's why we counter trend. Okay, all right. Log that 30 points on this counter trend. That's terrific, Nas. That's amazing. All right. Okay. Price below 33. Nice break. Another break right here at 1045. We know 14 is a real support. So we know that it's not going to be easily taken. So, of course, we have to log 30 points right here, 14. But that doesn't mean that we're going to get all out. All our ammunition short that we have since 44, by no means we're going to get all out right here, 14. All right? We're rooting for the price to eventually take this strong support. We know, because remember, not only we need to know where the price is going, but we want to know how it's going to get there. And this is how we know. We know this trend of 14. We know it's not going to be easy. So how is the price going to 500? By way of 14, right? Because we are locking 30 points, and there is a lot of bulls that are taking this 14 as an add to a winner, right? Okay. Of course, why wouldn't they add to a winner or establish a new position long if they know the strength of 14 in terms of support, like we do? Of course they're going to give it a shot. We, on the other hand, we are sure and we are money managing right now. And we know that the main play now is that counter trend short, which is not longer a counter trend. It is the main play now. When the price took 33, it became the main play. Boom, it took 33 with short 44. The main play, long 10, no longer. Counter trend short took over, and boom, bang, bing. Right? I mean, you've seen this. You've been trading with me for 15 years now, right? 15 years, right? So this is second nature for you. But once in a while we get new members, and I have to go through all of this, and it's a nice refreshment course, even for you guys, all of you who are, big time real pros, right? Because sometimes we need a refresher course. All right, look, right. So tell me, is 14 for real or not? What do you think just happened right here? Price goes to 9. Remember 9? I told you, oh, of course 9. Look at it. What do you think happened? Tell me. What do you think happened right here? Smart money takes 14, which is a real swing low. It takes it all the way to 10, 4 points. It takes the stops of the weak bulls, those that don't know the strength of 14. We've known 14 for a long time, right? Remember I told you, it's a real swing low that's not going to be easy to be taken. Of course, it's okay to establish a new position long right here, 14, right? And then what do you think that Goldman doesn't know? They know, and they take it to 10, take all the stops of scare money, right? Because they go long 14, 13, right? And they have a 1 point, 2 point stop, because they have a small stop because they don't know the strength of 14. If they knew it, they say, well, you know what? I'm not gonna let smart money shake me out. I know how strong that 14 is. So if the smart money takes it, right? I know that they're after my stop. Well, I'm not gonna give it to them. Boom, bang, bing. Back to 14, 15, 16, 17, boom. 18 coming, and the rest is history. Depending on your current trading experience, of course, it takes your learning curve. It takes a little bit longer, a little bit, than others. But trading this system, it's think about it. A system that takes advantage of every single ebb and flow of the market, significant, right? That's even me narrating and reading the action as it's happening, minute to minute, tick by tick, bar by bar, rank to rank, whatever it is. Everybody, that helps you a lot, right? But still, it's so advanced that it takes some time. Alrighty. Very well, ladies and gentlemen. So time right now, 1:44. Yes, it's taking a little bit of time, right? But since our short 42 price has done nothing but take us and giving us 69 points all the way to, right? Since we took this shot short right here, 69 points, give or take a point, right? All the way to new level of days, 77 quarter. And we knew, so how were we able to follow this entire beautiful downtrend? What was the management? Well, we knew it, right? Remember, break of 33, we knew that the bears took control, so we loosened our leash and let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. The other support was 15, nicely broken again, and the price has just done nothing but continue on a downtrend, giving us finally 69 points on the second trade. The first trade good for 33 points. Think about that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This is our last run here, 73, giving us 71 points on the short 45, 44, 40, 42, and 33. So that's a total of 100 plus, right? 102, 3, 4 points. I gotta tell you, that's an equivalent of $51,000, man. All right, so this is it for me. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, if it's not live, it's not real. You gotta follow somebody. It's gotta be live, real time, in front of a studio audience. And the most important of all, it's got to be done every single day. Anybody can get lucky once in a while, but if you do it every single day, there, my friend, accountability. All righty? See you all tomorrow.